The Aerox Injector can treat airflows of up to 90,000 cubic meters per hour. It does this by pushing ambient air through a three-stage filter. The purified air then enters a series of non-thermal plasma modules. In the same way that lightning freshens the air during a thunderstorm, here a microscopic lightning storm splits water and oxygen molecules, transforming them into active oxygen. This active oxygen is then injected into the process air exhaust duct, where it executes a high-speed oxidation reaction with the offensive odor molecules. The resultant oxidized molecules cannot be detected by the human nose, solving the odor problem.